Hello everyone, welcome back again to Lydia's Kitchen. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my homemade curry powder, and it is always good to make your own homemade spices so you know what you are consuming. And I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. And now let's go ahead and make our homemade curry powder. And I'll also be listing the ingredients and the quantities in the description box below. So I have here turmeric powder, curry leaves, green gram, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, anise seed, mustard seeds, black peppercorns, cloves, cardamom pods, garlic flakes, lemongrass, white rice, allspice, ginger powder, cinnamon sticks, star anise, chili pepper, bay leaves, and fenugreek seeds. So to escalate, I'll add all the spices and I'll be toasting it to release the flavors for about 5 minutes. So I've added in the coriander seeds, fennel seeds, mustard seeds, green gram, fenugreek seeds, cardamom pods, anise seeds, black peppercorns, star anise, cinnamon sticks, garlic flakes, chili pepper, cloves, bay leaves, lemongrass, and the curry leaves. So I'll be toasting it on the low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. And all these spices have their own unique aroma and it's smelling so good in my kitchen. So I'll keep toasting it on the low heat and I'll stop when it starts smoking. And you can also adjust the spices to your preference. And all these spices, you don't have to use everything. You can use any spices of your choice. And at this point, it's all done. So I'll take it off the heat and I'll let it cool down before we start grinding. So in my blender, I'm going to scoop about 3 cups of the spices and I'll be grinding it until it's all done. So it's all done at this point. I'll now transfer it into a large bowl and I'll add all the powdered spices. And as you can see, it's already looking good and it's smelling so amazing. Next, I will add the rice flour, allspice, ginger powder. I will mix it all together. Next, I will add the turmeric powder. Now mix it well to incorporate, and it's smelling good and colorful with the turmeric powder. And if you are enjoying this recipe, don't forget to give me a like, share, subscribe, and also comment down below. So next I'm going to be straining to get a very nice texture and also to remove any particles that couldn't be blended. And at this point, our homemade curry powder is all done. It's looking so beautiful and very colorful. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and you can always make your own homemade curry powder. And I'm now going to store them in my airtight containers, and please always remember to sterilize your mason jars or airtight containers. And if you haven't thought of making your own homemade curry powder, now you can make it. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, have a blessed week. Bye.